ALEC Energy was formed about 2 years ago to respond to the government initiative of the Shams Dubai program, which is obviously a huge program aimed at encouraging rooftop solar across the Emirate of Dubai. We focused particularly on the logistics area because they tend to have very large rooftops and large consumption in their buildings. So what ALEC Energy does is we offer a service which is either the owner pays for the energy solar plant, or we pay for it and then we sell subsidized electricity to the building owner. People that own large warehouses tend to have a range of operational expenses, and obviously energy is one of those which is fairly significant in the Emirate. The solar plant gives them the opportunity to reduce that significantly, and as I say, it can either be an owner invested capex or a financed offer which offers electricity at a discounted price. It makes complete sense for owners of large warehouses to take up this initiative because it saves them a considerable amount of money, and it also feeds into the renewables and CSR drives of large companies.
Here at Smart4Power, we provide the energy saving part. So if you look at the consumption of a warehouse, it depends what is their specific business, but it could be anywhere between, let's say, 5% and going up to 30, 40, 50% of their expenses. What we can do from Smart4Power point of view, we look at the energy consumption, we identify what are the main consumers in the facility, and we reduce those. And by the data that we have collected so far, we can reduce the consumption between 20 to 30, sometimes 35, even 40% of the existing consumption. If we work together with our colleagues in ALEC Energy, that's where the production happens, and then we reduce the consumption. So in the combination of the two, we can actually cover more or less the entire energy requirement in the facility.
You can probably cover up to 70% of the annual energy consumption by a solar plant. And if you reduce that with the initiatives that Smart4Power introduce, then you reduce your initial or your monthly consumption, and then you supplement the DEWA supplied electricity with a solar plant.